3x divided by 1 plus. Now I will split this 21x square such that this 21x square will be product of this 7x and 3x. So I will split this 21x square as 7x into 3x. So in this way we have to split the given algebraic function. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video I am going to give you step-by-step explanation for the solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end so that you will get a complete understanding of each and every step in this solution. So do watch this video till end, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. If you face any doubt during explanation, share it in the comment box or DM it to my Instagram ID. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. The very first step of the question is to read it and understand it. We have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. The given function is tan inverse. Inside the bracket 4x divided by 1 plus 21x square. Solution. Let y is equal to tan inverse of 4x divided by 1 plus 21x square. Now how to simplify this entire function? Let's see. Tan inverse. Now I will write this 4x in this way: 7x 3x divided by 1 plus. Now I will split this 21x square such that this 21x square will be product of this 7x and 3x. So I will split this 21x square as 7x into 3x. So in this way we have to split the given algebraic function. Now I have the formula tan of a minus b upon 1 plus ab, tan inverse of a minus b divided by 1 plus ab is equal to tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. So we have to use this formula for this step so that we will get tan inverse of 7x minus tan inverse of 3x. So using this formula we have obtained this new step, which is simplified form of this given equation. Therefore y is equal to this entire step. Now what I will do, I have obtained the simplified form of this given function. Now I will differentiate this with respect to x. Then what I will get, dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse of 7x. So derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Here x square is 7x bracket square. Then this is a composite function, so I will multiply this derivative of tan inverse with derivative of 7x. So derivative of 7x is 7 multiplied by derivative of x is 1 minus. Similarly, I will find the derivative of tan inverse of 3x. So derivative of tan inverse of 3x is 1 upon 1 plus 3x bracket square into derivative of 3x, that is 3 into 1. On further simplifying this, what I will get, dy by dx is equal to 7 upon 1 plus 7x bracket square minus 3 upon 1 plus 3x bracket square. This is the required answer for this given question. In this way, we differentiate the given function. If you have understood the step-by-step explanation that I have provided you in this video, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment box. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.